G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of a gadget that's going to be very important to our channel. We're going to be using this gadget for various measurements. Now, we'll open up and have a look at it and then you'll get the idea of what I'm talking about. So it arrived today. There's no other box, so I thought. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, as you can see from the writing on the box, it is a Racebox. So let's see, this should slide out, I believe. Yep. Okay, and there it is. So what this does is, you mount it to your windscreen and it measures 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. How many seconds does it take? It measures the quarter mile. It measures from 0 to 200, from 100 to 200 kilometers per hour. Or you can have it in miles as well. It also measures braking distance and also laps around the track. So the gadget also measures lap times around racetracks. What you do is, if your track isn't listed on the device, you go on the website, you download the tracks from the website onto the unit via USB, and then when you go to the racetrack and you do laps, it measures how quick you do your lap time. How quick you do your laps, measures your speed, and lots of other stuff. Okay, so I've turned it on. And this will be your drags. So you've got, it'll measure when you're doing a quarter mile, 0 to 100, 0 to 60, 400 meter, or quarter mile. And then you've got like a Christmas tree, and you take off and go. Now there is a custom, I should be able to change these parameters here. Let's have a look on speed. Okay, so with speed you get 0 to 60, 0 to 100, 100 to 200, and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour. There's a predictive mode as well. So I'm still learning this, obviously. Let's have a look at lap timer I don't think we'll get to see anything on here because, yeah, no nearby tracks found. So I'm going to have to download the tracks. So I can't show you what that does, but we will be testing this unit in my car, and then hopefully I'll be doing reviews on other cars, and we'll get to use this gadget in quite a few tests with different reviews. Hopefully we'll get a few cars from the AMG Cruise Club as well. I've got a couple of GTs on hand, the Ford GTs. We've got, what else? A couple of Mustangs. Yeah, so we'll get to test it out. Yeah, so obviously you'd go back with that button to the, we were in drag motor, which was there, and we press the top button. We'll go into the left side settings, and then here you can do your quarter mile or 0 to 100 how you want it. So foot roll out on, that means it measures your 60 foot times as well. Let's have a look what this custom interval does. 0 to 100, 0 to 60, 400 metres or the quarter mile. Let's see if there's any more. There shouldn't be. That's all they usually cover in the quarter mile anyway. So that is probably just on and off. Leave that on. Custom intervals. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to know a bit of time to get to find out everything, maybe have a little read of the book. Let's see what else is in the box. But looks like it's a very good gadget. CarWow YouTube channel uses it. They're always doing quarter mile times and 0 to 100 braking tests, and apparently that's the gadget that they use. So we've got okay, this is an aerial for outside. Apparently it's magnetic. So if you're not getting good coverage from the satellites, you can use this. So that obviously plugs into the back of the unit. Over there. And we've got a USB for charging. Dash mount, or windscreen mount I should say, for the unit. Sticker, Racebox. Oh, there's actually two stickers. And the instructions, which I'll be reading. Okay, that's it for now. So, next video we'll be using the Racebox and see what it's all about. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.